Hi friends, welcome back to Tanya Debate. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about how to draw different kinds of shapes in Scratch 2.0. So now, in order to draw the shape, let's come to the pen block. So this pen block is used to draw and animate and all this. Okay, now I'm just taking this video. Now come to the events block, take the green flag. Now come to the looks block, take the height. Okay, now after hiding, when I click on the green flag, it should hide and it should clear everything. Now come to the forever. If you want forever, you can click forever, or else I'm just taking this repeat block. So repeat. I have a concept in my mind that I just wanted to repeat it for 4 times. Now come to the pen block again. Use pen down. So now motion block, move 100. Okay, now I'm just taking 100. Now after that, it has to move some turn 90 degrees. So instead of 15, I'm just making it, okay. Yeah, it's not coming. So let's take on this Ethernet one so that it will come back. Yeah, it is right now. It is like this. If you click on the green flag again, we are getting something like this. Now I just wanted to go that away. Now see here. What I wanted to do is I just wanted to rename this to some 90 so that let's see what we are going to get it. Now see this. This is what we got, right? It is a tilted rectangle. Now if you draw it again, it is the same thing because each and every time it is 90. Now if you change it to 15 instead of that, now see how we are going to get. Now you got is something like this. Now see, I'm using the comments and all that. Just right click on this. You'll getting add comment, right? Now, instead of this move 100 steps, I'm changing it to 1 step. Or else you can put 100 also. Okay. Now, here, add comment right there as. Okay. Click on this add comment. I'm just deleting this. Right click on this. Click on add comment. Now, instead of this, write square there. So, write square there. Now, after writing that, see here, I wrote square now. So then after come to the down. Now mention the 4. Okay, that means it is having 4 sides. And after that 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees. So now let's see how we are going to get the output. Now see, we didn't get anything. Hey, we are getting actually, but it's not coming here. Okay, now see here, you'll get it. Yeah, now you are getting some random images or something like that. Okay, now if you click it on again, now we are getting like this. Now instead of this square, I'm just replacing that with some square. Now see here how you're going to get. Okay, yeah. So like this, you can draw some kind of images and all that using this. Okay, so this pen block and all that are used to draw the shapes, etc. Fine. So let's move forward to the next concept. Now, instead of this repeat 4 times, I just wanted to repeat it for 10 times. So now you will get a square shape and all that. Okay. Yeah. Now here, even that also after that, we should change it for 90 degrees, then you'll get it. Yeah, now it's fine, right? Now see here, we got a perfect thing that is a square. Now after that, see here, I just wanted to make an octagon, something like that. So for that, click on this, just duplicate that. Now right click on that again, add comment. So instead of this, now write octagon. Okay. Now octagon has how many sizes, shapes and all that? Okay, it has 8 sides, right? 8 sides. Now, how many degrees if we make so that it will get the perfect shape? So now 45 degrees. Okay. So now, if even we have to make changes in the number of repeating steps also, like 8 and all that. Okay. Now the turn has to change from 45. Now the shape is going to change. See, we got it something like this. If you draw it again, it will just adjust it and you'll get the perfect. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it is working. Like this, based on the number of things, like if you know the number of sides and the angles of that particular, you can draw the things like square, rectangle, and all that. Okay. So I hope everyone is liking this video. It really helps you to draw multiple shapes and all that. Okay. Yeah. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Thank you all.